And then a last area for this combo here with regards to the fractionated coconut oil first and then the essential oil would be on your... Hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to be talking about doTERRA's Douglas Fir Essential Oil. Douglas fir is a conifer that grows natively throughout North America. This tall evergreen fir tree is frequently used in the Christmas tree industry and has a lemon-scented note that is sweet and refreshing. doTERRA's Douglas Fir essential oil is sustainably sourced from young trees in New Zealand, where it is a highly invasive species threatening the country's ecosystem. By harvesting the young Douglas fir trees and using them for essential oil, doTERRA is helping to combat the environmental impact of the trees overtaking the land while providing a premium conifer essential oil. Douglas fir has a unique chemical composition that is particularly rich in beta-pinene, contributing to its ability to promote feelings of clear airways. Douglas fir can be used to purify the skin and promote a positive mood. Blending Douglas fir with citrus oils will create an uplifting environment while freshening the air. The common two uses for doTERRA's Douglas fir essential oil are aromatic, so breathing it in, as well as topically, so if you can point to it, you can put it there. The main benefits of Douglas fir is that it helps open up your airways and supports your respiratory system, purifies the skin, and helps with focus. The directions for use are diffusing 6 to 10 drops in an 8-hour diffuser, like the doTERRA Aroma Light diffuser, or you can use the Lumo diffuser, or you can just inhale from the bottle directly, or you can apply 1 to 2 drops with the doTERRA fractionated coconut oil to tired muscles and joints, which I like to use right here. So this is going to reduce the chance of irritation on the skin when you use this carrier oil, as well as help the essential oil absorb better into the skin, and then also cover larger surface areas of the body. And then a last area for this combo here with regards to the fractionated coconut oil first and then the essential oil would be on your chest area for more clear breathing. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, and click the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I'll see you in the next video.